We are officially on countdown and the cryptocurrency market is warming up nicely. Gone are the bears of 82,500 and welcome back to the bulls of 90,500. But what is going to happen? This Friday is a big moment for cryptocurrency. Anticipation is high that we're going to get incredibly bullish news at the Whitehouse Crypto Summit. Well, let's break down what could be there, who is going to attend, and why people are positioning themselves for a massive push. All of that in this video, so make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Don't forget, we cover everything cryptocurrency 100% every day here on the 2Bit Crypto channel. So turn the notification bell on, smash that like button. Let's get into it. In some positive news, short-term holders are deciding to hold onto their bags a little bit longer. We've seen days of short-term selling. Those wallets that basically have held Bitcoin for less than 30 days dumping their bags. Well, finally, you can see just above my head, we're starting to see some positive holding of crypto. Now, what's crazy to think about, long-term holder supply has just been very, very solid. And all of this is down to this. Now, a lot of you talked to me on my live streams just around the Trump tariffs. If you didn't catch my video that I released earlier on talking about the tariffs and how they're all going to work, definitely go and check that one out. But we got announced today that Donald Trump was going to delay the tariffs on Canada, Mexico, and then these were the key tariffs that did dump the market down to 82,000. But it's important to reference now that they are going to be eased. Donald Trump's tariff delay on auto parts from Canada, Mexico, along with Germany, is all about easing debt limits. China increasing its target budget deficit led to the rise in markets on Wednesday. In fact, China turning the money printers on today, M2 supply skyrocketing out of there. About $500 billion already printed. We'll keep you posted on that one. But the dollar index is also dropping as well. That's the DXY that we do check on the live streams. That's coming down. We'll look at it on the charts, which again is a positive news story. Now, fundamentally, when we talk about tariffs and then we talk about kind of how they impact the markets, it is all right now a big game of chess. I believe so. Anyway, let me know what you guys think in the comments, but it's a big game of chess. This is about getting people to the table and talking about it. Ultimately, though, what people don't realize, reality is Trump holds many of the cards. GDP for the US is much less dependent on imports versus Mexico and Canada. They're actually outweighed by about 20%. So this fundamentally was never going to work and is just a big game of chess. But this is positive. Market sentiment is starting to move to the upside, and we also are expecting a big announcement on Friday. Many people are talking about the Bitcoin reserve as well as the Whitehouse Crypto Summit. So I guess some things to think about on what could be coming. Now, it is 1:30 p.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Friday, March 7th, this coming Friday. And it should be David Sachs, President Trump's AI and crypto czar, that ultimately will lead the affair. Before we go any further, here is the list of expected attendees. Confirmed on the left, you got people such as Michael Saylor, who was confirmed. Matt Huang is from Paradigm. You got people like JP Richardson from Exodus, as well as some other very interesting names. Brad Garlinghouse, Chris Marzalek, as well as Vlad Tenen from Robinhood, who recently just started trading with Arbitrum. Brian Armstrong is going to be there, as well as many, many other big people in the space. You've also got people like Mark Ueda, which will be very interesting. Some of the unconfirmed names, Anatoly from Solana. We also expect Paolo Adronio. Given everything going on with Tether, he might not be there, but it's a pretty strong list. Whether we see Howard Lutnick there and Scott Besser, obviously they would be key people to be there, and potentially Pam Bondi as well. But these are the list of the people that we are expecting to be there. What's interesting on this one, Zach Witkoff, he's the co-founder of Trump Link World Liberty Finance. Very interesting to think about. So what are the things that we could be looking at? Well, altcoin inclusion into these crypto reserves could be a key thing. Many people believe, obviously, with XRP, Solana, and Cardano all going into the list, these could actually grow. We may even see something like NFTs, decentralized applications, and much more that could ultimately go into it, particularly given the fact that Trump did launch a meme coin pre-inauguration. Industry reactions, Coinbase today announcing that they potentially will be producing the coin, as well as many ETFs being announced as well today. We actually got an Aptos ETF coming in. We could see an executive order specifically around digital assets. And what could that do? Explore the creation and maintenance of a national digital asset stockpile. This could be big news. And it's about 20 to 25 people, as we've talked about. The Crypto Council could be a big deal. This could be the Crypto Council. This could be an announcement that these sort of people are in there. It would make perfect sense. Big leaders in the space. There was a rumor that CZ Binance may be there, but I'm not sure that to be true. And then I guess the price. What could we see? Well, lots of people are expecting to see a price push. I just want to be honest. Every time we expect this big move in the market, something happens. Now, interestingly, the big long position wallet did change its name to March 7th. This could be bullish or bearish. I talked about this on my live stream. I probably will take a little bit of capital off the table. You can play it either way. That's my strategy. I'm not telling you guys what to do, but we see mining stocks are starting to come back, 7% in Mara Holdings, and we see Core Scientific down about 15%. BlackRock, though, their shares surging 6% with that news around the Panama Canal and those ETFs that they are looking into. And also, there is other things at play here. Other positions are being changed. People are getting ready with certain cryptocurrencies and assets. For example, Fidelity here buying 10,070 Ethereum worth 21.7 million after selling their Bitcoin. And we've seen a lot. We actually saw Crypto, many of you will know him, has gone big, $11 million long position on Ethereum. People are banking on something big coming for Ethereum on Friday, as well as potentially some other cryptocurrencies as well. So all of that wrapped in, well, what does it look like from the charts? Here we are on the 1 hour chart, and actually a very bullish move from around 81,600 where we were Tuesday mid-afternoon. We've now moved nicely up to around 90,600. The retest of around 91,780 could be very positive, and a break above, as you can see here, did come support before we did eventually get rejected on the bounce. We want to see this break above here. This could signify a definite potential move up around 94, 95,000. Could even see us retesting that 100,000 into next week if the sentiment is very bullish. So crypto reserves, stockpiles, altcoins, Bitcoin, what are we going to get? Let me know your thoughts in the comments as always down below. But you better believe we'll be covering it here on the channel. In fact, we will be live for some of that as well. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. If you enjoy this type of content, smash that like button. And also do check out some of the links in the description. It does massively help out the channel. But we're on the move and it's up, and that can only ever be good news. Thanks so much for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.